Hello students, welcome to 8th lecture series. Today I am going to discuss with you the journal entry on sale transaction. Let us see three transactions. The first transaction on April 13 sold goods to Krishna on credit basis rupees 15,000, and on April 22nd Krishna returned goods worth rupees 2,000, and on April 24th received cash from Krishna rupees 12,500 and allowed him discount rupees 500. Let us see the journal entry for each transaction. So for the first transaction, sold goods to Krishna on credit basis. As you know, there is no cash payment is involved. So the business sold goods to Krishna. So who is the receiver? Here the Krishna is the receiver of the goods. So debit the receiver. Krishna account debtor. The value of the goods is 15,000 rupees. And this actually I told you the sale is always a revenue concept. So you need to credit, it is an income, it is a benefit for the company. When a sale is being enacted, it should be credited. So credit all incomes and gains. Sale is a credit balance and it is also a revenue for the business. So to sales account or credit sales account with the amount 15,000, followed by the narration being goods sold to Krishna on credit. Then on April 22nd, Krishna is returning the goods to the business. Maybe the factor is the goods may be found defective or may not be suitable for his purpose. So the Krishna is returning the goods to the business, and the value of the goods returned by Krishna to the business is 2,000 rupees only and not the whole amount. So what would be the journal entry for the sales returns or when goods returned by the customer to the business? Sales returns account debtor to Krishna account. Here the Krishna account has been credited because credit the giver, right? So here the Krishna is returning the goods to the business. So I am crediting the Krishna account, credit the giver. And sales returns, it is a loss for the business. So normally sales is an income for the business, but the other way round, if it is a sales returns, it is a loss for the business. So remember, sale is always a benefit or an income for the business, whereas sales returns, when the word followed by returns, is a loss for the business. So you need to debit any loss that is occurring to the business. So sales returns should be debited because it is Krishna who is returning goods to the business for the worth of rupees 2,000. So sales returns account debtor to Krishna account because Krishna is the giver. And on a, please see the dates 13, 22, and on 24 the cash is received from Krishna. So now Krishna is paying cash to the business only for the value of 12,500. Already 2,000 is being returned, the 2,000 worth of goods being returned. So you will not enter the original value of the goods sold to Krishna. You will enter the amount that were received by the business from Krishna. So cash account debtor, debit what comes in. Okay, and increase in asset also. So you need to debit. So cash comes into the business. So debit what comes in, cash account debtor. He pays 12,500 and Here I have debited the discount allowed. It is the business who is giving discount to Krishna to pay the money faster. So, and in order to enable him to pay the money at the right time, the business is giving some discount to Krishna. So, for Krishna, it is discount received. For business, it is discount allowed. The discount allowed by business to Krishna. So, from the business point of view, it is an expense. Discount allowed is not a benefit for the company. They are losing 500 rupees in the form of discount. So, discount allowed is again an expense and it should be debited. So, cash account debtor, what comes into the business? Discount allowed account debtor, debit all expenses and losses, 500 rupees. And to Krishna, why again the Krishna is account is credited? Because he is the giver of the money, right? So, credit the giver. Who gives money to business? It is Krishna giving money to business. So the entry is cash account debtor, discount allowed account debtor to Krishna account. And please see the amount is 12,500. 500 is discount allowed and only 13,000 is being accounted for and not 15,000, as 2,000 worth of goods has been returned by Krishna to the business. So hope you understood this journal entry. Thank you so much for watching.